Welcome to my piano project developed in Visual C++. You might be wondering what's the difference between this piano project and the previous one. The difference is this piano project was actually developed using console column bip. So I will now take you into the Visual C++ development environment. You will see how the console column blip was actually used. So, but before then, I'll just demonstrate how it sounds. And that is how it sounds, guys. So I'll take you into the development environment so that you have a go at it. Hi guys, so I've just finished developing the interface of my second piano, but the difference between this piano and the previous one is I'm going to be using console for the sound instead of using the wave sound. I will be using console. um, I have not shown the beginning of creating this button because I think you guys don't need to know that. That's not too difficult. You can just create your own button. So what I'll do now is I will now double click on the C. So I'm within the coding area now. Just enter, press enter, and what I'll do is console column. You see that, guys? Double click on the beep and assign 250, comma 500. That's the pitch. Okay, the level and the sound. And just enter semicolon there. This is supposed to be. So can you guys hear that? That's my C sharp. So I'm going to try the other ones out. Okay, let's go back to the coding area. So I will now double click on the D. I've actually copied this very code up here and paste it in here. So what I'll do is I'll just change this to 450 by 500 and repeat the same thing for E. And this is supposed to be E. Okay, it's 550 by 500. So what I'll do is just speed up the whole process and come back to you guys as soon as I finish entering the console bleep and the parameters. So let's go into the design and continue the whole process all over again. Okay guys, I've now finished the development of this console piano. So let me play it for you guys now. Okay. Okay, that's how it sounds, guys, and that'll be the end of this tutorial. But before I go, let me show you the codes. And right there are the codes. All you need to do is just to change the argument within the parameters. Can you guys see that? That's all you need to change. So if you do it orderly, you should be able to get the proper tone. But that's how it's done. If you have time, you can always arrange it properly. see that's each button. You can see that the procedural area for each of the buttons. Okay, and that's it's just one single line of code. Alright, I have 17 buttons together, and all together here I have 17. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 8, 9, 10, and that's it. Oh well, I seem to have 18. Okay, up to 18. That's it, guys. Okay, that's how it's created. If you want, you can just do something very similar, if not much better. Alright, thanks.